Okay, so the goal today is to install an HP Corse exhaust on a 2019 MV Agusta Turismo Veloce. Now, the MV Agusta has quite a few different options as far as aftermarket exhausts go. I decided to go with the HP Corse. I feel like it's one of the best looking exhausts and best sounding. Now, from a factory standpoint, the factory stock exhaust is a really good looking exhaust. It obviously is bronze like the wheels and a few other touch points of the motorcycle. However, I don't believe it gives the true sound and tone of what that engine really is, the brute force of it. So I decided we'd go with this aftermarket one and kind of see where it goes. Now, there's not many videos online of befores and afters, so I decided that that's going to be really the primary goal of today. Fortunately, the exhaust is really easy. There's only a few bolts across the bike that you need to undo. There's one right there, one down low here, and the same on the other side down low. So I've already cheated. I've taken some of those and loosened them already, but I'll set you up here and we'll get it going. Stock exhaust, cold startup on this 2019 MV. Hopefully don't throw any check engine lights. All right, let's see what this bad boy sounds like. Let me get these gloves off first. See what she's all about. Okay, as you can see, new exhaust is on. It's looking pretty dang good. Here's the old one. I'll actually zoom out. You know, it's just a huge weight difference. I would imagine this thing probably weighs every bit of 20 pounds. The new one weighs maybe 10. It also just, I think, looks better. It really fits the look of that bike. And as I come around, you guys will see, it looks pretty good on this side too. So anyone that's debating on getting this for their Turismo Veloce, I highly encourage it. It's definitely a good move and it sounds pretty damn good. Hope you guys enjoyed.